Choose a mask of a suitable size for the child. An adult mask can be used by placing the tip of the mask under the chin and then placing the rest over the child's mouth and nose. Ensure a good seal by pressing the mask onto the face with your thumb and index finger. Hook both pinkies under the angle of the jaw and place the remaining fingers under the lower jaw. Lift your pinkies and fingers, slightly tilting the head backwards. This opens the airway. While the mask remains fixed in place, the first aider performing the compressions squeezes the bag with one hand for 1 second. Stop squeezing when the chest rises. Allow the chest to return to its starting position, then squeeze the bag again to cause the chest to rise.